Okay, good day, my beautiful students. Today, let's answer this question that we have on the board. And the question is coming from physics, okay? And the topic that we have this question from physics is the refraction of light, okay? So under the refraction of light, there is what we call the real depth and the apparent depth that we can use to find the refractive index. But let's look at the question. The question says, a coin placed below a rectangular glass block of thickness 9 cm. Okay, so take note of this. The thickness of the prism, the glass block, is what? 9 cm. Okay, very important. And the refractive index is 1.5, and I want to use this to represent my refractive index, and the refractive index is what? 1.5. Remember, 1.5 can also be the same thing as 3 over what? 2. Okay, so when you press 3 over 2, it's the same thing as 1.5. Now is viewed vertically above the block. Okay, so the apparent displacement of the coin is dash. So we are asked to find the displacement of the coin. Now, for those of you preparing for JAMB and WAEC, whenever you see this kind of problem, a problem of the refractive index or glass block, okay, rectangular what? Glass block. And in that problem, all you could see there is the thickness of what? The prism and the refractive index. And you are asked to find any displacement. It could be what? Lateral displacement. It could be what? Apparent displacement. You are asked to find the displacement or the distance. The formula you are going to apply is what? The displacement is equal to the thickness bracket of 1 minus 1 over what? The refractive index, okay? Where this represents the refractive index of what? The block. Now, when we know this formula, what are we going to do? Let's substitute and get the value. To get the displacement is equal to, let's see, the thickness of the block is 9. So we have 9 into, we have 1 minus 1 over, the refractive index is 1.5. It's given as 1.5, which is the same thing as what? 3 over 2. So we are going to use 3 over what? 2, okay? Now, what we are going to have here is what? 9 divided by what? 9 bracket 1 minus what? 1 over 3 over 2 is, whenever you have 1 over fraction, all you can do is what? To turn the fraction. So this is the same thing as what? 2 over what? 3. Okay? So this is equal to 9 brackets. So this over 1, if you have that, so the LCM of this is what? 3. Just write your 3. This time this is what? 3. Use this to multiply this. This time this is what? 3. Minus this time this is what? 2. Okay? So we are going to have 9 brackets. 3 minus 2 is what? 1 over what? 3. Okay? So this is 1 divided by 3. And this is the same thing as 9 times 1 over what? 3. Okay? So the refractive index is equal. This cancel this. We are left with what? 3. So this 3 multiplied by this will give us what? 3 times 1. And this is what? 3 cm. Okay? So the refractive, the displacement of this coin is equal to what? 3 cm, and which is what? The option of what? A. Now, it's very simple, okay? See you in the next video. I love you.